Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. I'm Sara Edmonson, Chief Executive of Coro Energy. I'm sorry that I couldn't be with you tonight, but rest assured that I am traveling on Coro's behalf to faraway lands so that I can better position this company to delivering exceptional results from day one. You will have seen the strategy announcement recently. The overarching theme here is Pan-Euro-Asia, high-impact exploration, multi-TCF gas plays, with an initial growth strategy out of Southeast Asia. You will have also seen the announcement on the binding agreements. Subject to shareholder approval, Coro Energy will effectively be a full-cycle E&P company with high-quality assets located in Italy from day one. I've said this before and I'll say it again. That's not a bad place to start. Let me just spend a few seconds to walk you through some of the highlights of that portfolio. Coro Energy will effectively have 5 production concessions, which will contribute to both immediate production as well as incremental production opportunities. In addition to that, Coro also has development opportunities, including a field that was recently drilled called Selva. The drilling and initial production results have been fantastic and are truly some of the best results seen amongst independent players in Italy in recent years. This is some of the cleanest gas in the world at 99.9% methane, flowing from those gorgeous, permeable Pliocene sands. Another exciting development opportunity is Teodorico, which is an offshore gas development in the shallow waters of the Adriatic Sea. This alone could ultimately quadruple production from the Italian portfolio. But we would not be a full-cycle E&P if we did not have exploration. And in this respect, there are a few leads coming from both the Apennine and the Po Valley legacy portfolio, the most notable being Torre del Moro. Torre del Moro has prospective resources of approximately 200 million barrels of oil, which is an equivalent of 1 TCF of gas. Like I said, not a bad place to start. And these foundation assets effectively underpin our larger ambitions of growing a sizable multi-TCF portfolio in Asia. Now, we have very specific investment criteria for new acquisitions, and more to the point, jurisdictions where we would like to operate. Effectively, we're looking for gas, high-impact exploration, but we'd like to do that onshore or very shallow offshore. We're looking for areas where it's easy to commercialize that gas, which ultimately means that infrastructure is already in place. And we're looking for growing markets, but not just growing markets that have historically shown a strong and stable gas price. We believe that Southeast Asia possesses some of the world's fastest developing economies, where demand for gas currently outstrips supply. Now, if you combine this with increasing growth across the region and the increasing shortage of gas in the major markets, this provides a compelling investment proposition for you, our investors, at this specific point in the cycle. Ladies and gentlemen, we are at a threshold, the starting line of a new beginning. Come and join us on the Coro Energy journey. Let's do this.